Now I am trying to explain how to convert photo into PDF with the help of CamScanner app in the Android phone. First of all, click the CamScanner app from the screen and then see the camera button and at the bottom of the right corner click the camera button and then click import button beside camera button, import, and then select your photos 1 2 3 4 5, whatever you want you can select. Whatever you want you can select. I just selected 7 photos. Then import, then click the import button and all the photos are uploaded to your screen. And now you just click the button at the top of the screen, just follow PDF button, click the PDF button, all the photo converted into PDF. It's very simple, and you can share your photos to your Google Classroom very easily. I just want to repeat all the activities. Yes, quite. Just click CamScanner and camera button and import button, and you just select 1 2 3 4 5 6, import. All the photos will be imported to your screen, and just convert with the help of click of on the PDF button, all the photos converted into PDF, and now just share with it to your Google Classroom. In this way you can easily transport all the photo into PDF and you can submit to your copies to the Google Classroom very easily. And then you can remove all the selected or all the converted PDF and you can delete it, you can clear your CamScanner very easily. So in this way you can use CamScanner to convert photo to PDF and to submit to your Google Classroom.